Dear viewers, in continuation to my earlier two slides, slide number 1 and slide number 2, whereas I discussed about the methodology, the description, the type of masonry. Now in these two slides I am going to discuss with you about the history of the masonry and what is Gabion masonry and where it is used and how and what is the methodology of Gabion masonry. So please go through all these slides and wait for next slides to come. I request you once again to please subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel so that I can enhance my lectures for you. Thank you very, very much. Dear viewers, in this slide we will discuss about the history, briefly the history of stone masonry. The stone masonry history is that its technique started, how to learn how to build the buildings with the stones, how to cut the stone, how to shape the stones, and all was done in about 6,000 years back. The people were making that in ancient civilization. The buildings were constructed. This stone masonry is popular for the strength, the durability and aesthetic appeals also. It is used in traditional buildings as well as in modern buildings also, you can see. So these buildings are very much popular, and in ancient times there were buildings constructed which are Egyptian pyramids, Inca temples, Greek and Roman buildings, and medieval European cathedrals and churches were constructed. You can see the buildings in this slide also. There are some tools you can see in this slide, how the people were constructing the building with what tools. So these tools can be discussed in detail in some other slide or some other lecture. Thank you very much. Dear engineers, hope you are going through my slides as well as you are listening to me, my videos which I am uploading. These videos, text I am preparing other than what is I am preparing on these slides. So now we are in slide number 4, where we discuss about what is Gabion masonry. Gabion masonry walls are stone filled with wires, baskets tied together. These wires are normally galvanized iron wires. These and are used as retaining walls. These Gabion masonry walls are used as retaining wall also. Usually they are angled, in slope, so that there should not be the stones falling should not fall vertically. These Gabion masonry are made at roadside of the places where the hills are there, the mountains are there, so that while traveling the stones should not fall on road or on vehicles. These wires which are tied to the Gabion masonry are or galvanized steel or PVC coated steel. Stainless steel wires are also used. These Gabion masonry are filled with medium-sized fractured stones, not the bigger stones. These are fractured stones and are smaller or medium-sized stones.